would actually like to bug them for a little bit, as I can do so well. If you ride a motorbike, you're fair game. I will bug you. No, YouTube. If you ever want to leave a message, criticize my videos, the whole bit.
So I just got our emails R1 Chronicles?
No, the YouTube channel is R1 Chronicles.
Okay, what's the email?
Actually, R1 Chronicle, no, R1 at r1chronicles.com.
R1 at r1chronicles.com?
Yeah.
No Gmail, no Ymail, just...
No, I have my own mail servers. I'm a geek, man.
It's awesome though, guys. I'm just getting into computers. I mean, I can surf the net, but as far as all the email, I'm not that good at it. My chick, she whips around on the fucking thing. You want to sit down?
Yeah,
you sit down, we're like we just came off the yard at Pelican Bay though, like the prisoners, like the fucking convicts. You know, you see the pictures of the yard, fucking cake.
No, that's right.
Yeah, they're all fucking tattoos and shit, so I don't know.
Okay, so this is Lane.
Yep. And
I just met Lane here. Where the hell are we?
This is I'd say Sunset Boulevard and PCH, so...
Okay. True California.
To the court, yeah.
Okay, give me some California saying.
Drive fast and take chances, what I always go with.
I always say, pass on all hills and corners.
Pass on hills and corners, right. And if the corner says 40, double it.
That's right. They're made for, those recommended speeds are for cars, not bikes.
They are for cars, yeah, and sometimes for trucks.
You got her.
Slow. Cool, right on, man.
So, here we are in LA, day 4. I just met a really cool person. He's giving me some tips on canyon roads.
The good canyon up the street.
You got her.
We're on video right now, huh?
We're on video.
Put it on, post it up.
Okay.
But while you're in the States, if you want to call, I don't know, you can be here just till tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, tomorrow morning, that's when I head out.
Have you been to Orange County at all?
No.
We call that behind the orange curtain. Like everyone from LA says, oh, behind the orange curtain, like we're freaks or something.
Okay.
We're not, but we just live behind the orange curtain because it's Orange County.
Okay.
So it's like LA was bumping, then little by little they opened Orange County. Now it seems to be going, Riverside County is like the new, you know, LA's here, and then got too crowded, so then they move on to Orange County, and that's getting too crowded. Now they're moving out.
Oh, getting
Riverside
further and further.
Because
okay.
Well, obviously there's not a stitch of fucking. It's all concrete around here. All right, brother.
Well, I'll say it was really cool meeting you.
Brother.
You take care.
Drive fast and take chances, dude.
And pass on all hills and corners.
That's right.
Cars on it because of all the tourists. I'm almost tempted again to try for Steve McQueen's, but man, when I was pushing my bike on the sidewalk, if I ever get hot. So I'm not going to do it again today, and I'm watching my P's and Q's, but as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to stop, grab some gas, grab some cigarettes, and most likely shut down the cameras. I gotta admit, I got a lot of video of useless footage where it's just nothing but interstates. I was kind of glad I did have them running in Washington. As a state trooper I might have to deal with in a couple of months. They might actually save me from a dangerous driving charge. So, we'll see about that. And, bike's already starting to get a little warm. Let's get up beside an ambulance. How's it going?
What?
How's it going?
Good.
So you got, whoa. Guy pulled up on a red light. You're not supposed to go. So you get a lot of bike accidents? Weird people. I just got my foot ran over. I'm not shitting you. Okay, listen to me. Probably got a little bit of a bruise on my foot, but it just pinched the very outside of it. And I'm actually feeling my foot right now. I'm waiting. And actually, wouldn't mind talking to this guy. Back up. So did you get a lot of bike accidents in this city? One today? Yeah, so they're not that bad. Okay, cool. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. As you can see, I'll bug anyone. And that was nice, just a little bit of a drive safe. Hi, where can I park to find out if I can get a room?
Up front. Let's go back out to Las Vegas Boulevard.
They already chased me around, and they said a parking lot in the back. I couldn't find a parking lot.
Well, okay. So there's no check-in down here.
Okay, it's through the front doors.
It's either the front. I mean, there's registration parking up there.
Yeah.
You can park there to go check in.
Okay.
And then park in the back, and then it's in the lower part of the parking garage, directly behind the pyramid.
I couldn't. Oh, behind the pyramid.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If you go out from here, just make a left.
If I threw you $5, there's no way I can stuff it just for a couple minutes.
We'll let him go through. Put it up by that little black tower thing.
Okay.
There's like a handicap.
Gotcha.
Over here.
Thank you.
It's right there. Just put it there, go check in, and then I'll give you directions back to the back.
Thank you. Miles out of Vegas, and he was telling me there's a lot of riders here, sports bikes, that will hardwire their switch. This guy looks drunk, man. What the hell is he doing? Don't drag your foot.
Huh?
Don't drag your foot.
Why?
You snag it on something or hit something, you're going to break a toe. No, I'm not joking.
Alright.
No. And it makes you look really goofy.
I just rented it.
Sorry?
I just rented it.
Yeah, I know, but careful with that. So, how are you liking Las Vegas?
Nice.
Warm, isn't it?
Huh?
Warm, isn't it?
It was hot earlier in the morning.
Oh, God, yeah. I came through the desert this afternoon. Oh. Pretty damn hot.
$50 to get through the whole day.
Not bad. It's got no acceleration, though. Come on, come on, come on. We just had to get away from a moped. But seriously, never... Oh, what is that one? Welcome back. Nicest thing though will be getting out of the desert. That'll be real nice. I do think... Nah, should I hit a gas station before I hit the road? I've already got 36 kilometers. This thing only goes to about 200. Hey, how's it going? All right, yeah, I got one up there too. I got another guy running the camera. That's pretty cool. What are you doing?
Dude, I'm just doing this to my homies right here, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm giving them a little footage to what they missed, you know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Alright, so it's a New York and shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Yeah, you take care.
What you doing? You take the footage?
No, sort of a holiday footage.
Wow, that's a long way to go on one of those sports bikes.
It is. A lot of fun, though.
I definitely got to try that like one time in my life.
Definitely.
Yeah. How long you been at it? When you started to do?
About, what is that, 10 days ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, about 10 days ago. Yeah.
How long you been down there?
About 4.
4?
Yeah.
Alright.
You take care. doing a little video for his family. Bike's running a little hot. Just running with this Ironworkers rider. He is the captain. Picked him up a couple hours ago, and we just stopped in at the same gas station. He's going to stop in at Salt Lake City, so we might have another stop together, but just kind of hanging out for the duration of the trip. Kind of cool. Nice guy too. What's your name? First name? Mike?
Ike.
Ike. Yeah. Nice to meet Ike.
What's your name?
I'm Scott, and this is Ironworkers, and that is actually their club name. Very cool. I've been following them for the last couple hours, having a lot of fun, and we're about to go. I guess this is the last stage before we'll drop off, eh?
No, we'll probably stop before.
Oh, okay.
We still got 250 to...
Oh, it's that far. Oh, okay. Well, I've really been enjoying riding with you here.
We'll have to make another gas stop.
You got her. Kind of nice, hooked up with Harley rider. This isn't your typical Harley rider though. Okay, good news. Got a white rabbit. Hey, that's the buddy I got. That's the guy I just met at the gas station. And your name is? First name only?
Yeah, well, my name Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you, Eric.
Yeah, good luck.
I know he's running a 95 XI. That's an Escort radar detector. Pretty damn good one. Okay. It's the only question I can think to ask these guys.
Maybe I'll get one of those. I'm gonna get one of those cameras too.
Yeah, how's the gas mileage on that?
What's that?
How's the gas mileage on that?
About 100 miles a gallon.
No way.
Oh yeah.
That's not bad. How fast?
About 85.
Not bad. Will you catch up? I doubt it. How you doing?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Not too bad.
That's about the 1,000, eh?
Yeah, how do you like the Sixer?
600.
I know, how do you like it?
It's alright.
Yeah,
1,000 for next year.
can't hear ya.
I wanted the 1,000 for next year.
I love the 1000.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What do you make those cameras?
A lot of fun. A lot of fun. R1 Chronicles YouTube. You're going to be online.
Those cameras are pretty good.
What's that?
Oh, you like these cameras? Are they pretty?
Oh, excellent. High def. You can go up to 1080p.